All right, hey, let's take a look at the weather. Things outside still a little bit on the snowy side, but that's
Slick roadways, right? For Roy to slow down?
For Roy to slow down. Here's what we have going on out there. Yes, slick roadways in the area, but the snowfall itself is coming to an end as it pushes further and further to the east. Kansas City now seeing the tail end of the system, and in its place, mostly cloudy skies for northeast Kansas. Now, zooming out just a bit, we can see this big low pressure system drifting further and further to the east. Long trailing cold front, part of this dynamic system. Rain to the south, snow to the north, actually bringing some severe weather to the deep south yesterday. Saw several tornadoes being reported. Here in northeast Kansas, though, no severe weather, just snowfall and cold temperatures. Quick time lapse showing that snow accumulating on those roadways and grassy surfaces. Nothing too extensive, but we did see some minor accumulations. And a live look outside our Emporia camera showing similar conditions. The south and east side of the viewing area actually saw just a little bit more. Right now, though, temperatures are hanging out just above freezing. Only feels like 28, though, with winds out of the west-northwest about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Winds and cold temperatures, you bring those together and you get some wind chill concerns. That's what we're watching for today. Middle 20s in Salina, lower 30s in Wichita and Topeka, 31 being reported in Hiawatha, Manhattan, and Emporia. Concordia this morning, only 24 degrees. That much colder air hanging out to the north and west. Typically this time of year, we see an average high of 41 degrees. I keep talking about this, but this is big news right here. This number is slowly climbing up. That means we've reached the climatological bottom, if you will, as far as cold temperatures go, and things will generally start to see an improvement. Today, though, not too much of an improvement. Unfortunately, we're going to be stuck in the middle 30s all afternoon. Some spots optimistically trying to get to 40, but it's going to be a cold day. It's going to be a cold morning tomorrow, and then it's going to be another cold afternoon, possibly some lower 40s near Council Grove and the Junction City area. Wind gusts will be a little bit of a problem, 20 to 25 miles an hour out of the north and west all day today through the evening and overnight as this system continues to push off to the east. Mostly cloudy skies as those flurries come to an end this afternoon. Some peaks of sunshine here and there as the day starts to wrap up. Mostly cloudy skies once again Thursday afternoon, and we really just don't see any major precipitation chances for quite some time. Just cold air in place. Wind chills, as mentioned, are going to be a story for a little bit. Middle to upper teens for this morning, lower 20s for this afternoon. We just really don't warm up a whole lot. Here's a look at our forecast for the week. Lower to middle 30s for today and tomorrow. Cloud cover in place as we wrap up the week. Friday and Saturday, some good news though. We start to see temperatures back in the 40s, and then as we head into next week, temperatures take a tumble into the 20s.